What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're gonna unbox this brand new Hot Wheels 10 pack. This is a 2019 release 10 pack, and 10 packs are kind of interesting because sometimes they release 10 packs with exclusive cars that you cannot get in regular mainline variations. Now, I have bought this 10 pack because of one exclusive car. I'll give you a hint, it's not this one right here, which they usually have the pack exclusive cars, but there is one car in this set that I really like, which is why I bought this set. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and I want you guys to guess in the comments down below, which car do you think it is? Let's go ahead and open this up first. All right, let's go ahead and slide this on open here, and we'll start at the bottom right here. We'll start at this one right here. So this one that we have right here is a fantasy car release, and this one is all chromed out. Very gorgeous looking car. And let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom of the exact name of this car, which I honestly don't even know that for sure. Electrac is the name. There we go. Electrac is the name of that car. So there is your Electrac car. Very cool, very cool. We'll put that, we'll put it over here. How about that? Then we've got this one right here. Great looking in the green color of this. There we go, there we go. Kind of cool, interesting tires on there. And this one is called the Dunosaur. I should have known that. I know the Dunosaur. We've seen Dunosaur quite a bit. There we go, there we go. And right here we've got a Datsun 240 in the blue colored variation of it. Cool looking silver wheels on there, like the blacked out hood on there. Ooh, that one is cool, that one is cool. All right, we'll put that one back over there. Next one we have is this one right here. And check out the tempo work on this one with the, oh, look at the basketball and stuff on there. And this one is Torque Twister. There we go, Torque Twister with the gold wheels to match that flashy paint job. All right, we'll put that one over up there. And what is this one right here? We've got another one right here. And this one is kind of an interesting fantasy casting. Got the big rear wing on there. And check that out, center seat on this casting as well. And this one is called the Time Tracker. There we go, look at the big diffuser on the back of that one as well. Interesting casting. All right, we'll put that one over there, and we'll move on to this side right here. We've got a white one. This one, so we've had a basketball themed car. Now we've got the soccer or football, if you're overseas themed car. And this one is, I'm not even sure which this one. Is it BDD12? No, that's not the actual name of the car. I don't really know the exact name of the car. If you know the name of this car, post in the comments down below. Look at that big exhaust on that one. Holy moly. All right. We'll put that one over there. And let's get this one right here. Ooh, I like this one. Check it out. Volcano circuit on the side, number 10. This one is very glossy. I like the glossiness of this one. This one is Fast Feline. Love the wheels and tires on that one as well. Fast Feline. Wow. That one is good. Then next up we've got is the Indy Oval. We've got a white Indy Oval, and we've got it black wheels. We've got the nice colored lip on there, the nice blue bottom on that one as well. Put that one back over there. And we've got this one right here. Ooh, I like this one. There we go. Check out the wheels on that one. These wheels just look cool. I feel like they should use these wheels on other cars. They just kind of look fun when they actually roll. They look like just the spokes, just the way the spokes look. And this one is called Carbonic. There we go. We got Carbonic. All right, we'll put Carbonic over up there. And last but not least, I told you guys it's not this one, so you guys can see this one for the fun of it. This one is a custom Datsun, I believe it is. Custom Datsun 240Z. There it is, or Z if you're from the United States. But this one in white does look really cool. And I believe this one is an exclusive car to this set. One of the exclusive cars to the set. So we'll put that one right over there. So there we go. Which one do you think is the car that I bought because of this 10 pack? You guys will see some future videos featuring this car, but until then, guess in the comments down below, and I'll let you know if you guys are right. All right, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.